Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change the server region on Discord. Select Discord server. Right-click Discord server, click Server Settings. Click Change. Select a server region. Server region changed successfully. Click Save Changes. Click Close. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.